What is going on, guys? Today I'm in Orange, New Jersey, and we're gonna be exploring this abandoned hospital. Now, it's been closed since 2004, so things should be relatively new in there. Let's go check it out. My buddy Austin just arrived. Let's go inside. Alright, so we just got into this place, and it's already just huge. I would say, what do you think, like 7 buildings in total?
Something like that, about 7 buildings. It's like this place has only been abandoned for 15 years.
Yeah.
Kind of amazing.
This place is ruined. Wow, that's kind of weird.
That is really weird.
Don't know what it is. Sort of pulley system.
On the table. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's not a booby trap.
So
It lifts the bottom. So there's supposed to be weights hanging off the bottom. And then you would pull it. Yeah, there's supposed to be straps. It's a physical therapy thing.
Alright guys, so we're going to go explore the rest of the buildings. We're going to come back to this one because it is the tallest. So we're going to end up on a roof.
How many stories is that?
Yeah, I believe like 9 in total. Yeah.
Actually 9 with basement, so 10.
From what I'm guessing, this had to be like the emergency drop off over here. We'll drive right in, enter the building right there. Almost forgot to mention, this building right here is the oldest part of the complex. So they said this whole area was built in, I would say like 1938 to 1940. So that's when it opened up. But there's a picture of this building that was taken in like 1907. So that's probably like late 1800s.
Probably.
As you can see, this building it's wrecked as well. Alright, going up. So far so good. Nothing loose. Stairs over here. Could have just done that. Yeah.
That's kind of cool. The roof is completely rotted through in this one.
This elevator door had glass on it. There it is. Oh, did it? Cable snapped?
Yeah, the cable's on top of the car. I guess the brakes still work on the car because it's halfway up the shaft.
It's not a bowling ball. Anybody need a bowling ball? Hey, here's a bed.
What once was.
It's one of the patient's rooms. Go, here's a bed. Oh, dude, there's a stairwell. There's a stairway right here.
Down? Jesus Christ. That was the roof collapsing into the elevator shaft.
Yo. This place is falling apart as we speak.
You're not going up there, are you?
Maybe.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I was hoping to see some actual equipment.
Yeah, maybe in the other building we might get lucky,
Yeah.
but this one's been abandoned too long. Far too long.
Looks like around here I can't get any privacy. It's crazy, all these monitors from like the 90s. Early 2000s. Look at this section right here.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Right?
That looks so cool.
It's like a mini garden in here. Yeah, because all the freaking water's dripping down.
And all the ceiling tiles are turning into a really crappy version of soil.
Quite amazing of a room. This had to be some sort of lobby. Looks like a little stage over here.
It's interesting. I don't know what a stage would be made for in the hospital, but maybe this was a chapel?
Possibly. I have no clue. Dude, this had to be some sort of like school or something. Or made for children. I see a chalkboard. One of those old school ones that roll around.
Maybe at one point?
Yeah, look at that. Little desks, yeah. Something going on here. Some sort of education. Yeah, classroom.
Oh, classroom too. Wow.
Let's get up here. It's kind of just weird. Maybe a laundry room, yeah. Oh yeah. Laundry room. Yeah.
There's another way in there.
Oh yeah, there is. There's a lot of ways in. I think we picked the best one.
Huh? We
Definitely.
definitely picked the easiest one.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks quite ridiculous. Maybe all the medicine or something.
Storage or something. Maybe like just medical supplies in general.
That's how you can tell this place is a little old. Smoking permit in this area. That doesn't fly nowadays.
Yeah, in 2004 they passed a law.
Yo, what's up, dude?
How you doing?
Hey.
Vive la vida loca.
Hmm?
Living the crazy life.
What you up to?
Necesito mordo.
Pega shoulder.
Yeah. Dude, this guy's f***ing nuts. So we're just flying a drone in. Kind of expected it. Somebody was like yelling at us at the other window over here.
Probably lives here.
Might live here, I don't know. Not right in the head though.
Definitely.
Kind of worried.
Yeah.
But we're gonna keep on exploring, keep checking this place out. Alright, so we were just in that building right there. That's the big main one. This right here is just all separated from this one actually. So that in itself is something else. See over here. This place is just a dump. Look at that. A lot of wackos here. Clearance. Somebody got that gate over there.
It's like they're banging on the gate.
Oh well. Good amount of things left behind. But so destroyed. so far. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So we climbed up the ladder. We're on top of this roof. Oh yeah, that's massive.
And there's the cables.
Check out that pulley.
Cables there too.
Yeah, you can actually see New York City from here.
Yeah, you can.
Alright, so we're heading down. We're gonna check out the oldest part of this place. Guys, don't forget, if you like these adventures, make sure to subscribe. Always going on them. So, stay up to date. If you look down.
Don't look down.
Oh crap, this is dark as hell in here. It just sucks. I can't find nothing good yet. Like, I want to find like some like a well-preserved room, but it's just so impossible around here. It's all rubble.
Because of where this is located. If it wasn't in East Orange, there'd be a lot of stuff still here.
I don't know what that is. It's almost like a typewriter in a way.
It's a printing press of some kind. There's letters. You can see
Yeah.
it. This is some kind of a printing press. It must have been. Maybe it's a
Oh,
label
yeah.
Maybe it is a label maker. And it kind of looks like steel.
Yeah, it's probably a label
It's
maker.
a stamper. Those are steel.
Gotcha, yeah.
So that's what it does. It crimps the letter and
It's quite cool.
that's a pretty giant looking machine for such a simple task.
Alright guys, so we're going to try to reach the top of this building. It's the tallest one in the complex, so we're going to have a nice view. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video of exploring the Orange Memorial Hospital. Pretty cool stuff. Sucks it's like all messed up though. But hey, you know, you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like all that good stuff, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's a cool place. This place sucks. It's kind of right. Well, till next time. I'll see you in my next adventure.